It's still original. We are back at the State Capitol building. This is the handicapped elevator. This is the handicapped elevator at the Nebraska State Capitol building, Lincoln, Nebraska. This one is still original. This is an old Dover. This one's still original. Athens fixtures. Let's start. We'll go up. So here we go. This one's a hydraulic motor.
It goes up to 3 and down to B.
Because basement's locked, you need a key to go down there.
That's right.
Okay. All right. 3. Here, 3. Back down to 1. It's a very, very small elevator. Just like the last 2 years since 2024. This one's still original. Your fixtures, Athens fixtures, ADA compliant phone, and the certificate is behind the curtains.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't say the capacity, the number is. It's current capacity, pound. Good luck, still original. And there goes, that's it.